This is how you can play in Philippines. Sorry for this, but really good. Here, you can draw anything you want, but black color. And the first step you can play in the Philippines is going now. First step is this. And there is an part 2 here is the kitchen, and the 2 part is this garter, and the third part is this bowl. Just pick it up and throw it there. Sorry, I did not make it, so let's do it again. There's a part 2 in here. Did I shoot it? I don't know.